Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to study water as a topic in biology. We're going to look at the relevance or the effect of water on organisms. We'll study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the primary solvents for most of the chemical reactions that occur within the body system of an organism is called dash. A. Ethanol. B. Water. C. Hormone. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Water. So water is the primary solvent for most of the chemical reactions that occur within the body system of an organism. A lot of chemical reactions in living things occur in aqueous medium, and this water is the primary solvent that enhances chemical changes in living organisms. The next question says, a condition whereby the sodium level in the blood is diluted due to excessive intake of water is best described as dash. A. Hypernatremia. B. Hyponatremia. C. Hypernatremia. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Hyponatremia. This hyponatremia is a condition whereby the sodium level in the blood is diluted due to excessive intake of water by an individual. So the body system needs water, but the body does not need excess water. So when there is excess water in the body, the sodium level will be diluted, and it will expose or leading to this condition known as hyponatremia. When an individual is having this challenge known as hyponatremia, it can affect the brain seriously. So the brain will not function very effectively. It can lead to confusion and some other brain related problems. The next question says, the blood plasma is rich in dash. A. Melanin. B. Chlorophyll. C. Water. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is C. Water. So research have shown that the plasma is the liquid portion of the blood, and this blood plasma contains high quantity of water in it. So the blood plasma is rich in water compared to other chemical contents it has. The next question says, water helps in food digestion in animals. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So water is an important compound that helps in digestion of food in animals. So for food to digest properly, water is needed. So that's why it's encouraging for an individual to take enough water, to take adequate water on daily basis, so that food digestion will go very well. So if water is lacking in the body, there are many problems that will result from lack of this water. The next question says, which of the following structures in animals contains the least amount of water in it? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Brain. D. teeth. In this question, the correct answer is D, teeth. These structures, such as kidney, heart, brain, contain higher amounts of water in them compared to the water that is found in teeth. So studies have shown that these organs, apart from teeth, contain more water when compared to this structure known as teeth. So teeth contains the least amount of water when compared with heart, kidney, brain, and other glands or organs in the body system. The next question says, when water evaporates from the body of a living organism as sweat, it brings a dash effect to the organism. A cooling effect to the organism. B, a hot effect to the organism. C, all of the above. D, none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A, cooling effect to the organism. So if an individual engage in strenuous exercise, he or she can lose water in form of sweat. So as the water in the sweat evaporates, it brings a cooling effect to that organism. The next question says, adequate hydration is essential for the muscles to function without dash. A, injury. B, fibers. C, all of the above. D, none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A, injury. Our research have shown that water is very essential to muscles in the body. So adequate hydration or adequate intake of water is essential for the muscles to function without having injury, because when water is lacking in the body, the muscles cannot function very effectively. So there can be, or muscles can have injury because of the fact that water is not adequate or balanced in the body system. So this water ensures that muscles play their role in keeping the body system healthy, in keeping the body system okay for that living organism. The next question says, the following are signs of lack of water in the body except dash. A, headache. B, accelerated heartbeat. C, decreased heartbeat. D, pain in the joints. In this question, the correct answer is C, decreased heartbeat. There are many problems that can occur due to lack of water in the body. There are many health challenges that can occur due to water imbalance. One of these problems is headache. Lack of water in the body can trigger headache, and studies have shown that lack of water in the body can also bring accelerated heartbeat. The heart can increase in the rate or at the rate at which it beats. So lack of water can also cause pain in the joint, because water is needed for lubrication at a joint. So when water is lacking in the body, there can be pain in the joint and some other problems. The next question says, a condition whereby the body loses more water than it takes in is best described as dash. A, hydration. B, dehydration. C, all of the above. D, none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B, dehydration. This dehydration is a condition whereby the body system loses more water than the amount of water it takes in. So there are many problems that can occur when the body is dehydrated. The next question says, the following are causes of dehydration except dash. A. Excessive sweating. B. Vomiting. C. Diarrhea. D. Drinking water. In this question, the correct answer is D. Drinking water. There are different causes of dehydration in the body system. One of these causes is excessive sweating. When an individual sweats profusely, he or she will lose a lot of water from the body. Someone can also lose water from the body through vomiting. If an individual is suffering from diarrhea, a lot of water is lost through stool, through these watery phases. So all these factors are causes of dehydration except option D. The next question says, the process whereby excess water enters the brain and makes it to swell is best described as dash. A. Hydrocephalus. B. Mesocephalus. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Hydrocephalus. This hydrocephalus is a condition or a process whereby the level of cerebrospinal fluid, whereby the level of water in the cerebrospinal fluid is high, and it will now affect the brain seriously. So in this situation, the brain will swell, and that swelling is going to affect the brain negatively. So this hydrocephalus is a serious brain disorder, because when it happens, many things concerning the way brain works will go wrong. So it's one of the neurological disorders in human beings. The next question says, which of the following is true about adequate body hydration? A. Heart maintain proper blood pressure. B. Kidney excretes nitrogenous waste successfully. C. Muscles function very well without injury. D. All of the above. In this question, the correct answer is D. All of the above. There are many things that will happen when there is adequate body hydration. When there is adequate water balance in the body, the heart will maintain proper blood pressure. Studies have also shown that the kidney excretes a lot of nitrogenous waste successfully when the level of water in the body is balanced. And the muscles also function very well without injury if there is adequate body hydration. So water is very important in the body, because many organs such as kidney, the heart, and other organs cannot function very well if the water level in the body is abnormal. So water plays a great role in ensuring that many structures in the body do their job very well. The next question says, the medium in which the absorption and transportation of solid materials take place in a plant is best described as dash. A. Water. B. Blood. C. Lymph. D. Nymph. In this question, the correct answer is A. Water. So water is an adequate medium in which the absorption and transportation of solid materials take place in a plant. So water serves as a vehicle for transporting different solid materials from one part of a plant to another. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. In this channel, we make educational videos to empower all the lovers of biology academically.